What if I told you animals have been talking behind our backs this whole time, and some of them even talk about us? No, seriously, right now a crow might be telling its friends that human with the red shirt. Yeah, he owes me snacks. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the secret language of animals, a world where bees dance, elephants rumble, dolphins whistle in accents, and monkeys spread gossip like they're running a jungle radio station. Before we decode these wild conversations, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "I speak animal." Let's see how many future Dr. Dolittles we've got here. Alright, let's crack open the animal dictionary. Let's start with dolphins, the social geniuses of the ocean. Dolphins don't just communicate, they literally name each other with unique whistles. That means somewhere in the ocean right now, two dolphins are calling each other like ee. And they both know exactly who's being summoned. Scientists discovered that dolphins can remember these names for decades. Some humans can't even remember the names of people they met yesterday. Dolphins also use clicks to send 3D sonar images, almost like facetiming each other using sound. That alone proves dolphins might be more advanced than our Wi-Fi. But let's leave the ocean and look at something even crazier: bees. Bees have invented the most adorable communication system ever, the waggle dance. When a bee finds a good patch of flowers, it returns to the hive and starts dancing like it's in a tiny bee nightclub. The direction and duration of the wiggle tell other bees exactly where to fly. They're basically giving Google Maps directions, but with twerking. Imagine if humans did that in the office. "Hey John, where's the printer?" Proceeds to start wiggling dramatically. Then we have elephants, who communicate using deep rumbles so low that humans can't hear them. But here's the twist: these rumbles travel miles through the ground. Elephants literally have long-distance phone calls using their feet. They pick up vibrations through their bones. That's right, elephants use foot telepathy. They can talk about danger, food, or even greet friends who are far away just by sending vibration messages. Meanwhile, we still struggle with dropped calls. Now let's talk about crows, the ultimate masterminds of the bird world. Crows can recognize human faces, pass that information to other crows, and even hold grudges. If you mess with a crow, it will tell its friends, its family, and probably its cousins 3 states away. And yes, they have different calls for different threats. One caw means human approaching, another means danger up high, and another one means something like "look out, Karen with the broom is back." They basically run neighborhood watch. Over in the primate world, monkeys and apes have communication skills that are almost unsettlingly human. Verved monkeys, for example, have specific alarm calls for different predators. If a monkey shouts the leopard alarm, everyone climbs a tree. If it shouts the hawk alarm, they dive into bushes. They even have fake alarms. Yes, some monkeys lie to get food. Imagine. Oh no, a leopard. Everyone runs. Great, now I can finally eat this banana. Speaking of deception, let's talk about cute fish-level genius, the cuttlefish. This creature can change its colors, patterns, and even texture to send messages during courtship, hunting, or warning. Cuttlefish can even show to different patterns at once, one on each side, to communicate to different messages at the same time. That's literally bilingual body language. Humans can barely say one thing without accidentally texting something embarrassing. Now brace yourself, because even plants communicate. Yes, I know this is an animal video, but we need to address the fact that plants send chemical messages to warn others about danger. When bugs attack one leaf, the plant releases chemicals that other plants smell and respond to by boosting their defenses. Trees have been found to share nutrients underground and send electrical signals through their roots. Basically, plants have Wi-Fi. Nature's wild. Man, back to animals. Dogs. Dogs communicate with us constantly, but we only understand a fraction of it. Tail position, ear tilt, blinking speed, how they sigh, it's all a code. A slow blink, love, a big yawn, stress, a long stare. That's dog language for I want your food now. And yes, dogs can understand up to 250 human words and gestures. So when you say walk, outside, or open the cupboard, trust me, they fully get it. But let's go back underwater for a moment. Whales sing songs that can travel hundreds of miles. Some whale songs last hours and follow musical patterns, verses, repeated phrases, even harmonies. These songs change slowly over time, almost like cultural traditions passed across generations. It's like the ocean's version of Spotify, but with a much longer playlist. Then you have ants who communicate with chemical trails. They use pheromones to tell each other everything. Food this way, danger that way, worker number 42, you smell weird today. Their communication is so efficient that ant colonies behave like one giant superorganism. If traffic jams worked like ant communication, humans would never be stuck on the highway again. But the most unexpected. Fish. Yup, even fish talk. Some use pops and clicks, others hum, and some literally vibrate their swim bladders like drums. Reef fish hold territory meetings, clownfish have hierarchy debates, and groupers make booming sounds to coordinate hunting with other species. The ocean is basically one giant underwater group chat. The craziest part of all this. Scientists think we've only decoded a tiny portion of animal language, maybe 5% at most. Meaning animals might be saying way more than we think. Dolphins could be joking, elephants could be whispering gossip. Birds might be discussing weather reports, crows are definitely mocking us. Imagine what these animals would say if we fully understood them. Would pigeons tell us which parks have the best popcorn? Would octopuses share escape plans from aquariums? Would your dog finally explain why they stare at the wall at 3 a.m.? One thing is clear, animals aren't silent. They're talking constantly to us, to each other, and to the world around them. Their language might be dances, colors, rumbles, clicks, scents, or body posture. But it's communication just as real as ours, sometimes smarter. If you want more deep dives into the wild minds of animals, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment below. Which animal do you think has the coolest language? I'll be reading your responses. And who knows, maybe soon we lines do a video decoding what your pets might actually be trying to tell you.